Determine the topic and purpose of your video. This will help guide the content of your script. Write down any key points or ideas you want to include in your video. Start a conversation with ChatGPT and provide it with some context about your video topic. Ask ChatGPT to generate a script for your video. You can phrase your request in a way that prompts ChatGPT to provide you with a script, such as, "Can you please generate a video script about how to unleash my full potential?" Review the script generated by ChatGPT and make any necessary edits or modifications to ensure it meets your needs. Next is convert your script to audio. Narrate is a powerful tool that can convert text to audio with ease. Here's how you can use Narrate to turn your text into audio. Copy and paste your text into the editor or upload a file that contains your text. Select the voice that you want to use for your audio. Narrate offers a variety of voices to choose from, including male and female voices in different languages and accents. Customize the settings to your liking, such as the speed and pitch of the voice, the background music, and the overall tone and style of the audio. Preview your audio and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your audio, export it in your desired format, such as an MP3 or WAV file. The final step is to generate your video using your audio. Adobe Express is a free mobile app for creating videos and animations. Open Adobe Express on your mobile device and create a new project. Import the audio file that you want to use for your video by tapping the Add button and selecting Audio. Once your audio is imported, select the Animation option from the menu at the bottom of the screen. Choose a template for your animation. Adobe Express offers a variety of templates to choose from, such as slideshow-style templates and text-based templates. Customize your template by adding text, images, and other design elements to create a visually appealing video. Sync your audio with your animation by tapping the Audio button and adjusting the timing and duration of your audio to match your animation. Life can be tough and challenging, but sometimes all you need is a little reminder that you are stronger than you think. Have you ever faced a challenge that seemed insurmountable? Maybe it was a personal struggle or a difficult situation at work or school. In those moments, it can be easy to feel defeated and overwhelmed. But let me remind you, my friend, that you are stronger than you think. You have within you a well of strength and resilience that can carry you through even the toughest of times. Don't give up on yourself. Believe in your abilities and trust that you have what it takes to overcome any obstacle. You are capable of great things, and with each challenge you face, you become stronger and more resilient. So, the next time you find yourself struggling, remember, you are stronger than you think.